How to join expired Telegram link. So if you want to join an expired Telegram link, then first open up your Telegram application. And now if you go to a group or something, or if you have received any link, and if you tap on that link, if it says expired, then to make that lasting, what you need to do is you need to simply go for any one of your groups. So for example, I'll be choosing this group, and then go for the members, which is on the upper side, or tap on the members and go for the pencil shaped icon, which is on the upper right, and then tap on invite link. And here you need to tap on create a new link. And the first and the main thing that you need to do is you need to simply set no limit. If you have set the limit for 1 day, then your link will be expired within 1 day. And if you have choose 1 month, then your link will be expired after that 1 month. If you choose no limit, then you will be able to join the link anytime, anywhere. So you need to simply choose no limit, and once you choose no limit, then you need to simply again choose no limit under the number of users if you want to, and then enter a link name and tap on create link, and it will generate the link, right? So what you need to do is go for the right side of that link, which has that 3 dots, and then you can copy the link or share the link. And that's it. That's how you can join the expired Telegram link. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.